Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm a member of the support team over here at ISP, and today we are going to be talking about the dashboard. So as soon as you log into ISP, this is the screen you're going to see. This is what we call the dashboard. The idea behind the dashboard is just kind of to be a quick glance at all of the data that you've got going on in your account. So one thing to note is that you can always get back to the dashboard by hitting your account short name here in the top left. Let's say, for example, I am on the register or anywhere else in the database. I can always just click on my name in the top left and it'll take me back here. So once I'm here, I've got a couple things to talk about here. I've got the announcements here at the top. As you can see, today is October 9th, so we posted one today. We are always making updates to the system based on recommendations from our clients. So you can always keep an eye out here to see what we've been up to. And you can also, on a particular announcement, you can hit read more and that'll take you to our help file, or you can hit use now and that'll take you to the spot in the database where that update happened. So you can also put your mouse in this box and you can scroll. And you can see all of the recent updates that we've made as well. So and this is an infinite scroll, so you can scroll all the way back to the beginning of ISP. So let's see. So as we scroll down, we've got our net worth report on the left. We've got all of our money broken down by financial account. This is a test account, so we've got a bunch of fake data in here. We've got our key stats in the middle, all of our individual records, organization records, total donations, broken down by election. We've got general. We've got total donations, cash on hand, things like that. So the idea is just so that you can see everything that you've got going on right when you log in. And then on the right, we've got our receipts or our contributions broken down by their budget category. Most of the contributions in this test account are under the budget category administrative, but if we scroll down, we've also got our disbursements or expenses broken down by their budget category as well. And those are a little bit more diverse in their budget category. So we've got a nice pretty pie chart here. So let's see. I also want to talk about in the bottom right corner of ISP, there's always two buttons here. We've got help file and we've got contact support. So if I click on this help file button here, it's going to open up another tab where then this is basically an ISP encyclopedia. So we've got some quick links here that I can click on. I can either search something or I can just click on one like maybe I want more, or maybe I'm trying to figure out how to add a user. I can click that. And then I've got a bunch of info here about how to go about adding a user. And I can also search here in the top right to type in anything that I want. And we've got a help file on just about everything in ISP. So always feel free to check the help file first. And then maybe you check the help file and you don't see what you're looking for. That is when you can hit the contact support button, and this will email us directly. And you can determine whether it's a question, whether you found a bug, or maybe you have an idea for how we can make the software better. Feel free to select any of these here and hit submit. And like I said, that will email us. So last thing to talk about on the dashboard is that it is customizable. So the dashboard you're looking at right now is the default dashboard, but you can also create one if you want to. So I can go down here and I can hit change layout. I have a couple already. So I created one a long time ago called JSON test UI, and I have another one called testing. So I can hit manage. And this will take me to where I can look at my custom dashboard. So I've got default and then the other two that I've created. So now I'll hit add custom dashboard. And then from here, I can give this a name if I want to. And then it's as simple as taking fields from over here and just dragging them over into the yellow. So maybe I like all of these, and you can also change the order that they're in and how they'll actually appear on the dashboard. So you can move stuff around there as well. I do recommend playing around with this on your own time. We've got some really useful fields here that aren't included in the custom dashboard. Like in particular, I've seen a lot of people use dashboard links. This is a useful one. Maybe you have websites that you visit frequently on a day-to-day basis. You can put links to those right there on your ISP dashboard, just kind of to make your life easier. So then you can hit save in the bottom left. I'm not going to bother saving this one. And then that will be available to you, and you can switch back and forth between the default and the custom dashboard that you just created as well.